We started last year. This is the second year that we have been accredited as Arbor Tree Campus USA, and the significance of this is major for an urban campus. We're an urban university and HSI, a Hispanic Serving Institution, and we're very, very proud of the fact that our campus is very, very green, and we're basically thinking that a lot of the students and faculty and staff should feel very, very proud and very privileged to be part of this endeavor. So we had about 4 or 5 activities planned for today. There was a station that was particularly important because it had the benefits of trees. It was talking about the benefits of trees, and it was basically a tour with the people that wanted to join. It's almost finals week, so we were hoping that students would get some yoga relaxation in doing that. One of the other stations had to do with getting a photograph with a prop from Star Wars. The theme of this year's Arbor Day was "May the Forest be with you," and so we are trying to get some social media photographs through Twitter and a few other areas or venues to actually celebrate Arbor Day. The last station was mostly an information booth where we were giving out oak trees that we got donated from the Metropolitan Reclamation District of Greater Chicago. And we had 100 trees, 100 saplings or small trees, and we're giving them out for people that are interested in planting them in their backyards with a set of instructions for that.
One of the things that makes Northeastern really unique is that we actually have the Green Fee Committee, which is every semester each student's tuition. There's a $3 fee added to each student's tuition, and that's pooled together and spent on sustainability projects like the solar panels on top of Building B over there, and then the gym's hot water is actually all heated by the solar panels.
So one very, very important aspect of this project is that it has been collaborative since the very, very beginning. One major component of the designation of becoming a Tree Campus USA was to have in place a tree care plan and a committee that would actually oversee the activities of the tree, basically called the Tree Care Campus community or committee. And we cannot emphasize enough the fact that this project was possible because of that collaboration, participating not only in the putting together of the tree care plan, but also the people that take care of the trees. So facilities management has been a crucial component of this project because they had been taking care of the trees for a long time before this designation came about. We had to do minimal work to actually bring us the status of Tree Campus USA, thanks to the magnificent work that facilities does almost every day on this campus. We also had the privilege to be able to partner between the departments of biology, environmental science, and geography and environmental studies with student leadership and development and a division of student affairs, mostly because it's a truly inter-campus endeavor. And I will let you, Chris, describe a little bit of how you came about and what your role was in this.
Well, in my role in this, again, is my job title is academic and community partnerships. And one of the things we know about student learning is when there's connections for students between the stuff they're learning in class and they're able to apply it outside the classroom, that learning sticks, that it's going to have more of an impression on that. And so what we're doing is we're strengthening the learning environment. And then secondly, we're building community.
Absolutely.
And so we see ways that there are, to use kind of the jargon that's being, we're breaking down silos.
Exactly.
And we're working together in recognizing that when students are active, one of the really cool things about this day is really most of this program was planned by students.
That's right.
Pam and I are here to kind of cheerlead and clap and be happy about it, but the students were the ones that really planned and thought this program out. And that's what my job is about, is to help support that, support the great work our faculty are doing, and build community on campus.